Yung iba't ibang free throws na mga
Do another one.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off, can't stop me now.
This episode is brought to you by Paras Catering and Events. Check out their FB page and see all the excellent customer feedback on their food, service, and elegant styling. You may reach them at 0917-844-4470 and look for Miss Jubian Paras. Welcome back mga ka-Life to a very special episode for Father's Day. Andito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City in front of Papa Aday Basketball Court. Nandyan yung anak ko sa taas, nag-training siya under a PBA coach. Legit na legit to mga ka-Life. Tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari sa taas. Kapangayam ang dalawang ka-Life father. I-check po natin kung ano po masasabi nila tungkol sa bonding time nila with their children and paano po nila nasusuportahan ang mga pangarap ng kanilang mga anak. Ayon kay Mr. Edwin Ventura, 5 years old from Florida Blanca, ang bonding time niya with his son is actually basketball. So katulad niya nung kabataan niya, nagba-basketball na rin daw siya sa mga liga, sa mga palaro. So at an early age, in-introduce niya yung basketball sa anak niya. Pangarap niya para sa anak niya is yung na makapasok siya sa college and at the same time makapag-basketball din. So advice niya sa anak niya is stay focused and maging disciplined sa kanyang training para maabot niya ang kanyang pangarap. Ayon naman kay PBA Assistant Coach Michael Bondia, ang bonding time niya is with his 2 daughters. So the whole day nasa practice daw siya. So he makes it a point na pag-uwi niya sa bahay, makapag-spend siya ng quality playtime with his 2 daughters. So ang wife din niya is may 9 to 5 office work. So they make it a point na they spend a lot of quality time with their daughter. So advice naman niya sa mga parents na may mga anak na nagpo-pursue ng sports is to support their children dun sa sport na gusto nila and not to really push them hard dun sa mga bagay na hindi naman nila ini-enjoy. So mas maganda raw na kapag yung anak nila is yung sport na kung saan sila nag-excel, kung ano yung enjoy nila, doon nila susuportahan ang anak nila para ma-develop ng gusto. So that's it for our special episode for Father's Day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe always, mga kalifit.